इंडिया के फिटनेस आइकन कहे जाने वाले और एक्चुअली माने जाने वाले एक्टर जॉन अब्राहम ने रिसेंटली एक मैगजीन के कवर लॉन्च पर अपनी इस सुपर फिट बॉडी के कुछ सीक्रेट्स बताए।
I've always wanted to be fit irrespective of the fact that I'm an actor or no.
Right.
And that's what I believe, that everyone sitting out here should be fit irrespective of whether you have your shirt off or no. And I just think it's important to be fit 24/7. And by fitness, again, I don't mean only a six-pack, like I say be clean in your mind, clean in your body, clean in your soul, and clean in your actions. And I think you can get the best results. If you need to be fit, and if you're talking about men especially, you need to have good legs. So most Indian men, and there's nothing wrong with it, the problem is we don't concentrate on our legs, because anything that's concealed, you don't work on. That's why, unfortunately, in India, you see most of the men having big arms. But that's the only part that shows. So I believe that if you don't have arms, you don't have legs, you don't have shoulder, you don't have chest, you don't have a back, what's the point of a six-pack? You need to have a proportionate body. And honestly, you may not even have a six-pack, but you could be healthier than this guy on the poster. Very honestly. Because I believe that there are people here who are far healthier than I am. You know? And you don't need to have a six-pack. So I think healthiness is a sign of what you eat, how you live your lifestyle. And sometimes we are not exactly the best example of it. You know, so we need to draw a balance somewhere.
जॉन जितना एक्सरसाइज करके अपने आप को फिट रखते हैं, उतना ही अपनी डाइट पर भी पूरा कंट्रोल करते हैं, और ये हम नहीं, जॉन खुद बताते हैं।
मेरे लिए जो चटपटा चीज जो है वो एक चॉकलेट प्रोटीन शेक है, जो बहुत ही स्पेशल है मेरे लिए। या मैं प्रोटीन केक्स खाता हूँ, जो केक्स जो ब्रेड से बनते हैं वो नहीं खाता हूँ मैं, फ्लैक्सीड से जो बनते हैं, और उसके ऊपर चॉकलेट के जगह पे दे पुट व्हिप्ड क्रीम, एंड द व्हिप्ड क्रीम इज़ मेड ऑफ वे आइसोलेट चॉकलेट, और अंदर जितने भी सारी चीज़ें हैं इज़ ऑल हेल्दी, कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स जैसे ओट मील्स एक्सेट्रा। सो आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग दैट्स अनहेल्दी। मेरा मन नहीं करता है कि मैं कुछ उल्टा सीधा खाऊँ, और आई थिंक दैट्स वाई 365 days a year, या तो ये मेरा शेप है या इससे 20% कम, 20% ज़्यादा है, बट आई ट्राई एंड मेंटेन द शेप 365 days of the year। ये केक्स जो आप खाते हो, फ्राइड स्टफ, ये सब आपको इससे ब्रेक लेना पड़ेगा, एटलीस्ट फॉर अबाउट 4 or 5 years to see some change। And I've been doing it for about 21 years now, 22 years without a break। लास्ट टाइम मेरा जो फेवरेट स्वीट है, आई लाइक काजू कतरी बर्फी। I love that, I love it. Oh my! I had it 21 years ago. So I don't have aerated drinks. It's been about 15 years, 16 years. Rice once in a way, maybe once a year, white rice. So you have to be very strict with your diet, because if you're not strict, you're not going to see results. But I'm very serious about the desserts and all, because 10 साल में शायद मैं गलत हूँ, जमाल को ये ज़्यादा पता होगा, but just like cigarette smoking is injurious to health happens, very soon there's going to be white sugar is injurious to health, and then maida is injurious to health, and then there's going to be a list of things. So you might as well stop now, so you can live longer and healthier lives.
Well, इस फिटनेस आइकन की तरफ से तो एक फिट एडवाइस बनती है।
The basic things I can tell you, and this is for women too, and women and men. I think you can have any excuse in the world about your work being too difficult and your timings being irregular, but I think you have to find time to have your meals on time. Very important. Very important. Maybe your boss will say, go out and do this assignment. I think you need to carry your tiffin or whatever. Get your food from the house. And this is the best advice I can give each one of you here. Be selfish where your body is concerned, and take care of your body. And if your senior does not really care about it as much as you do, he doesn't really care about you. You got to care about yourself. You got to look after yourself. So that's the most important advice I'll give all of you as friends.